Ask Cancer Wisdom is our new video series where we answer your questions about cancer. So click the link below if you want to ask us a question. Subscribe to our channel if you want information about natural cancer remedies. We make videos about nutrition, detox, emotional healing and more. So the question in this video is: Otto Warburg said that cancer cells use glucose instead of oxygen to survive. Now I'm scared to eat carrots or fruits that contain sugar. Do I need to avoid certain fruits or vegetables if I don't want to feed my cancer? So after learning about Warburg's discovery, it's understandable that you might become scared of sugar. You need to understand the difference between cause and effect. The cause is the reason why a condition exists and the effect is the result of it. Cancer cells utilizing glucose is the effect, not the cause. Glucose is the human body's and the brain's primary source of cellular energy. It's healthy for you when delivered in its natural form, such as starches, vegetables and fruits. So there are 3 macronutrients in our diet: protein, fats and carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables contain mostly carbohydrate except for nuts and avocados. Carbohydrates are sugars or saccharides that consist of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Simple sugars can attach to long branching chains called complex carbohydrates. They're also known as starch. So when eaten, enzymes turn these chains back into simple sugars. Sugars then pass through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. Metabolic processes then convert these simple sugars into energy. Avoiding all sugars is a mistake. Scientists have never shown that carbohydrates from whole foods cause cancer. All successful and long-living people have based their diet on starch and carbs. Dan Buettner wrote the book The Blue Zones. In this book, he followed the oldest populations on the planet. They had less cancer, diabetes and heart disease than the rest of the world, and they got a majority of their calories from plants. If we believe that sugar feeds tumors, then we need to avoid all fruits and vegetables. The problem with this approach is that all cells need sugar. So starving cancer requires depriving the whole body. But what is left when you remove carbs, fat and protein from unhealthy oils and animal products? High-fat diets cause oxygen depletion in healthy cells. Meat, dairy products and vegetable oils are known to cause cancer. Sugars from whole foods do not make cancer grow faster. White sugar is not a health food, but it's a mistake to vilify all carbs based on table sugar. White sugar is not the same thing as sugars present in vegetables in its whole form. Table sugar is a sweet, white powder devoid of vitamins and minerals. That is the reason we call them empty calories. Fighting your inborn love for sugar is as senseless as fighting your hunger drive. You want sugar because that's your natural food. What makes carbs toxic are the processing, oils, dairy, aspartame, GMOs and much more. The question, does sugar feed cancer, is misleading. A better question is, do animal products cause cancer? You should be more afraid of them instead of sugars from whole foods. Sugars found in whole foods are good for you. You shouldn't become afraid of them. So long as you don't eat processed sugar, you shouldn't have any problems. To learn more about this topic, read our detailed answer in this blog post. The link to this article is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share this video on social media with all your friends and families. Please visit our blog at cancerwisdom.net to learn non-toxic ways to treat cancer. You can also download more free documents in our free resource library and learn other ways to prevent cancer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.